Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free 700 Discord orbs by playing the new activity quest for the new map on Valorant. If you didn't know, this quest came out today on June 18th, 2026, and this quest will be available until the 28th of June. So it'll be available for the next 10 days. So make sure to check on the date to make sure you are still able to actually do this quest. Now, one other thing I want to mention before I do this quest is I do highly suggest that you download the Discord app. You can do this on the browser app as well, but you cannot do this on mobile. So you have to be on the desktop app or browser app to actually do this quest. All right, so the very first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the quest tab on the top left of your screen when you are on the Discord app. And you'll have to scroll down. There's a lot of active quests right now, but you'll see the one for Valorant Masters London, and it'll have a button called Launch Quest, which means that it is an activity quest, which is basically a built-in game into Discord. So all we're going to do is click on Launch Quest, and once you click Launch Quest, you'll have a little authorization here that you'll have to authorize. So all you're going to do is click on Authorize here. This is totally safe, by the way. And once you do that, you'll be brought to the main page of the quest here. It'll say Sage's Quarters. It says Act 4 Preview, and all you're going to do is click on Start. And you'll be brought right into the map. Now, I have not played this at all yet, so I don't really know what I'm getting into. But as far as I know, you have to find, I believe, 8 different these miniature things that are hidden around the map, as well as 3 different cubes. So we're going to try and find them all. And I believe you could click on these arrows to zoom in, and I think this is what we're finding. There we go, 1 out of 8. So we have to find 8 of these little rock guys here. And I believe for this wall section, you can see there's 4 different circles here. You're going to click on this keypad, and you're going to match the circles on the wall. You're going to click on here, and you'll get one of the 3 cubes. So we'll pick up one of those. And then we could simply just turn around the room here and go to each different section. So behind this pillow, there's another one of these guys. And you could also earn different achievements throughout clicking on everything. So make sure to click on everything in the room to unlock all the achievements. There's another guy there. Let's check over here. What is this? Key card. All right, let's take that. There we go, one in the boot. Anything on the wall here? Doesn't seem to be. Oh, there is one right here. Okay. 5 out of 8, 3 more to go. There's one right here. All right. There's also a cube on the table already, so we'll take that. Let's go over here. Anything in the teapot? Oh, another achievement. Let's go to the computer over here. Something behind the picture frame. Nope, another achievement though. Backpack. This box. Here, maybe we have to go over here. Okay, I guess I can't take this bear out. What about this box? Another picture. What's the passcode? I guess that's the real question. Oh, here we go. Key card goes in there. Okay, there's the 3rd cube. All right, let's take that. Still not sure where these last 2 guys are. So I know we could put 3 cubes into here. Okay. Let's put the 2nd one, and let's put the 3rd one. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright, so I guess you only need the 3 cubes to actually get the quest reward, but we're going to continue and find the other 2 rock guys. Okay, so it seems like there's one rock guy actually up here, way up top. All right, and when you're at the computer, the very last rock guy is actually, if you click this red button here, and it'll come out of this plant. And there we go, data log all mascots found. All right, so now that we've done that, we've put the 3 cubes in, so we have completed the quest officially, and we found all of the 8 little mascots. So now, all we're going to do is click Leave Activity on the bottom of the screen here. And now, as you can see, we can now claim the reward for the quest. So we're going to click on Claim Reward. We're going to verify ourselves here. And we will get the 700 Discord orbs for completely free. As well as, if you are a NITRO subscriber, you do get 1.2 times that orbs value. So you do get a little bit of extra orbs if you are a NITRO subscriber. Anyways, though, guys, that will be a wrap to this tutorial. Hopefully you guys found all the cubes and all the mascots, and maybe there were other achievements that I did miss in the video. If you did get all the achievements, please let me know below and tell me if you get anything extra. I'm not sure. As well as if there's any other secrets that I missed, please let me know in the comments section below. By the way, we are very, very close to 4,000 subscribers. We are actually almost under 100 subscribers away from 4,000 subscribers. And once we hit 4,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. They'll be in my Discord server, so make sure to join my Discord server. It is linked in the description below, as well as on my channel. And the giveaway will be hosted there, as well as if you need any help with any Discord support, any Discord server setup, or bots, please join my server as well and go to the support chat and ask any questions, or check out my channel as I post many different Discord tutorials. But anyways, though, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.